Welcome back to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are cooking something tasty, spicy and delicious flavorful lemon pepper chicken. It's soft, juicy chicken infused with warm spices and a tangy lemon twist. Let's get cooking. Start with 500 grams of chicken in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup beaten curd, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well to coat the chicken evenly. Using curd in the marinade gives the chicken a tender, juicy texture. The spices used are classic warm Indian aromatics, full of fragrance and depth. Cover and marinate for 30 minutes. In a pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add 2 small bay leaves, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 whole black pepper, 2 cardamom and 2 to 3 cloves. Now add the marinated chicken. Lemon chicken is a popular dish in both Indian and Chinese cuisine, but the flavor varies greatly. Cook on medium heat, flipping occasionally to fry both sides until nicely golden. Use medium heat, high heat will burn the spices, while low heat may not sear properly. Add the remaining marinade from the bowl. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, helping build and repair tissues. Curd aids in gut health and makes meat easier to digest. Spices like black pepper and cardamom have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until the chicken is fully done. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup water with 1 teaspoon corn flour. Add corn flour at the end for a light glossy coating instead of a heavy gravy. Pour it over the chicken. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy thickens and turns glossy. Now sprinkle a bit more black pepper powder. Add some lemon slices and cook for just 1 more minute. A little lemon can completely transform a dish's flavor profile from ordinary to wow. What do you usually add to your lemon chicken? Extra chili or extra lemon? Do you prefer dry lemon chicken or with gravy? Who in your family would love this dish? Tag them below. That was today's lemon pepper chicken. Spicy, juicy and bursting with fresh lemon flavor. Try it once and it might just become your go-to chicken dish. Don't forget to like, comment and share if you enjoyed this recipe. For more easy and flavorful recipes, subscribe to Innovin Foods. See you again with another delicious dish. Until then, happy cooking!